but this schedule is a view serializable. How we will we can say we can see here, if check for these two schedule, let's say this is schedule 1 and this is schedule 2. Our first condition, initial read of data item. Here transaction T1, 1 minute, this one is read, only read, and this is only read, on which belongs to transaction 27. So transaction 27 is reading the initial value of q. Our second condition is write at the last. This operation is the write at the last, this operation is writing at the last, and both the operations belong to last transaction T29. So our second condition is also satisfied. Third condition says that if the value is read, which is read the read value which is read by other transaction, here only read operation is this one and this one, no between read operation. So we can say our third condition is also satisfied, because not any transaction is reading the value which is read by other transaction. So we can say these two schedule are view equivalent. These two schedule, suppose this is schedule S1 and this is schedule S2, this S1 and S2 are view equivalent, and this schedule S2 is serializable. S27 is complete, then S28, T28 and T29. So this is the serial schedule. So we can say our schedule S1 is a view serializable, but it's not a conflict serializable. So the point, this point says that every conflict serializable schedule is a view serializable, but not every view serializable schedule is conflict serializable. Here we can say T27 follow T28 follow T29 is the serial schedule equivalent to this schedule S1. This is one point note here. Transaction T28 and transaction T29, here transaction T28 and transaction T29 write on data item Q, this one and this one, called the blind writes, because without having performed the read on Q, it's write. This transaction T2 and this transaction T28 and transaction T29 writing the writing operation, write operation data item Q, which is not read earlier. Means just randomly calculate some values and writing it. If we talk about the account on bank balance, we are writing randomly a account balance which is not read before. So it's the blind read. So in your see this last point, every view serializable schedule that is not conflict serializable has blind writes. Means when a schedule is view serializable but not conflict serializable, because there is some blind writes operation. So usually you can identify if there is a blind write operation, so you can say this may be a view serializable but not a conflict serializable. Here you can say this is a blind writes. This is a blind write operation. This two operation is blind write operation, because this is just writing the value of data item Q which is not read earlier. More complex notation on of serializability. The schedule below produce the same outcome as the serial schedule T1 followed T5, yet is not a conflict equivalent or view equivalent to it. These two transactions T1 and T5 are the outcome of these two transactions are equivalent to this serial schedule T1 followed T5, but these two transactions are this schedule is not a conflict schedule or not a view schedule. We can check consistency of this schedule. Just let me check for here A and B. The initial value of A is 1000 is given here, and B's initial value is 2000. First here T1 transaction T1 and transaction T2. T1 read A which is 1000 subtract 50 means 950, then write a, which is write 950 in the disk. Then transaction T5 read B, transaction sorry, just consider is transaction T2. Okay, 1 minute, not consider, just we are saying it's transaction 5. It's reading B. B's initial value is 2000 in the disk, and subtract 10 means 91990, and write B 1990. Then transaction T1 read that value, read 1990 on, this is 9, data item B, and add 50 is 2040, and write B, again change the value 2040, which read A, transaction T5 read A is 950, and add 50 960, and write A, which is 960. So as you can see here, the initial value is 1000, and A and B, A is 1000, B is 2000. The A plus B is 3000, and after this schedule, A plus B is A is value 960 plus 2040, which is also equivalent to 3000. So this schedule we can say is a consistent, it's maintain our consistency or database. Why is this schedule or transaction